Well, here's my first Gibson package unit I've seen. It is that a heat pump? Yeah, package heat pump. See right there. Model GQ3RA-060K 5-ton. Serial number GQB0309021116. 2003. Well, that's the first Gibson Nordine. And it's in this little lock box thing, so I can't really get in there. Is there any more? Stepping through mud. Big pothole there. Oh, wedge and everything. This is a first. This little craft store. Which is odd. Oh yeah. Where's the spec at? Goodman model CPKE60-1B. Serial 98024-86797. So that is a 1998 5-ton. Is it a heat pump? I believe it is a heat pump. It's a good old Junkatrol, I'd say. Janitrol, they're actually pretty good. Freaking reliable. What's this noisy thing? Pain. Ow. Serial 0204E01-1436. Yeah. Noisy. Model PH12NA60-C12CF 5-ton. Product number PH12NA060000ACAA. I don't know where the air handlers are, but they're in these little wooden crates for some weird reason. That's odd. I'm poking all around at this place to find a Janitrol, a Pain, and Gibson. Everyone thinks Janitrol's junk, but I don't. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.